What's up, everybody? Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to talk about one of the top 5 errors in Excel, the dreaded NA. So right here, we've got something to look up. We want to see if this skew is in there. So let's say it's AB. We need to see, are there any of these values? We see it there, sure. But maybe there's 1,000 of these and this isn't readily visible. Maybe we're looking for BC, maybe we're looking for AC. It doesn't matter. Normally we would do something like a VLOOKUP equals VLOOKUP. You would want to find what you're looking for, and so on. You go through here, you run your function, NA. What does NA mean? All that means is what you're looking for here, AB, and you're telling it to just look up AB. This is all merged into one cell, one text string here. So NA means it doesn't exist. So the way we figure that out is we use this function. So one example would be equals left. All you have to do is find the criteria you're looking for. That one. We want to find the first 2 characters. Close it up. And we do that. So right here, we'll just change this equals VLOOKUP. We want to find this. And we want to find it within this, the new criteria where we've separated it from all the fluff. Then we want to find the first column, exact match, close it, and there we go. That's how you fix the error. What you're doing is you're telling Excel to find something, and it's saying that number you're telling me to find or that text string doesn't exist. So all you have to do is break it out. Usually maybe make a little helper column right here. So AB, you have all the ABs and so on. And you see, it works right there. That's about it. So we'll see you next time. We'll go over all these errors, and thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. See you next time.